Hi, my name is Donna Parteau, and I've made it my mission to help Christians just like you who want to become best-selling authors, even with zero experience and no existing list. For the past decade, I've been showing people exactly how to take their message to the world and helping them discover that a book is the smartest first step to a life of contribution and even global influence. And I can show you how to write your book in just a matter of days, not weeks, not months. How? Using the exact step-by-step system that I've used to write more than 30 Christian books that have sold more than 1 million copies all over the world. It doesn't have to take long to write your book. Most of my books were written in less than 14 days. So let me show you how I do it with my free guide, 10 Steps to Write Your Book in Just Days. Look, I've helped people write best-selling books that have enabled them to launch a ministry, create coaching programs, online memberships, and even live events, and build a massive social media presence in the process. If you have a message locked inside of you, if you want to have a greater impact while earning a better income and establish yourself as an authority who enjoys ever-increasing influence, this might just be the answer you've been praying for. Let me send you my free guide and show you how you can write your book in just a matter of days. Now, this is your opportunity to learn from someone who's actually sold millions of Christian books, and a once-in-a-lifetime chance to find out exactly how I do it and how you can do it too. If you would rather make a living or just enjoy a steady extra income stream as an author, then this is for you. You'll enjoy a whole new level of respect because 80% of people say they want to write a book someday. But with this guide, you will be one of the few who really gets it done. And when you do, everything will change for you. And believe me, writing your book is only the beginning because I promise it will open so many other doors for you. I mean, let's face it, when you literally become the person who wrote the book on the topic, suddenly you'll be the one that people want to learn from. People will be hungry for your coaching, your consulting, your online classes. Invitations to appear on podcasts and live streams will start coming your way. And someday soon, even invitations to speak in person, maybe around the world. So click on the link below to grab your copy of my free guide, How to Write Your Book in Just a Matter of Days. And I can't wait to read your book someday. God bless.